Oh yeah. Hayi sekhona. Hayi angayindaba ukuthi nje kula masonto amathathu adlule ngithanda project encane nje kade ngiyenza. So ngiyenzile-ke and mase ngiqeda-ke I think Friday mase ngiphumile kancane. Bese ngibuya-ke ngiyangibuyela sengibuya nginingi futhi-ke bantwana ukuthi ake sihlabele phambili siqhubeke le Nkosi. Ngithe vele ngisebhizi kule 3 weeks kwaba nezinye futhi izinto engikhanyiselwayo ukuthi ngicobelele kuzo. La ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhulume lefa lesihlakaniphi ukuthi kumele senze lento yokuthi umqondo uvuleke. Uphaphame ube aware, awareness, mindfulness. Now, into engiyinakisile ukuthi when you want to do mindfulness, you should start practicing lento ukuthi izinto uzenze deliberately. Ngisho ukuthi uzenze ngebomu. Ngesikhathi uzenze ngebomu futhi uzinotice. So the exercise in mindfulness would be ukuthi ake sithi uvula umnyango uyaphuma. You want to be mindful of every action. Okay, ngifaka ukhiye, ngiyawuphendula, ngibamba isileche, ngiyavula, ngibamba isibambo, ngiyasiphendula, ngiyawudonsa umnyango, ngibeke unyawo lokuqala phambili, yabo, ngiyaphuma, ngiyadonsa, ngiyavala, ngiyakhiya. All your actions. Uhamba phandle uthi okay ngiyahamba manje, ngiyavula isikudla, ngiyawulesinqeni, you know, ngiyaphi endaweni yokuthi yabo. It's like ukuthi you want to bring your mind into the now. Ikhohlwe ezinye izinto oyicabangayo eseceleni that have nothing to do with leso sikhathi leso sokusona leso sikhathi. Ngalesikhathi uhamba lapha endleleni izinto ezingenayo thelela kwalokuhamba kwakho azingakufikeli. So i-mindfulness yakho would be, where am I? What am I doing? Why am I doing it? How am I doing it? And the more you practice this, the more you start going into the area of your mind that seeks the question of who am I? What am I? A very universal question. Yes, sonke namanje asikawazi imphendula. So mindfulness, you must practice this mindfulness. You must be aware. Awareness of the mind. Now, I'm reckoning it became very easy because angithi ngikule path of reclaiming my masculine energy. So the other part of it I've noticed very deeply is that I'm very calm. Very, very calm. Like, izinto ebezingibangela ukuxokozela azisekho. Nothing has changed around me. but internally I'm able to see izinto and just laugh at them. So there's a level of calm that comes with masculine energy. I'm going to say something about warriors who are very calm. I guess that's why. That masculine energy brings about calm into your mind. So yeah, like I was saying before, this exercise of literally accounting for every step you take and movement you make. Umqondo wakho ube in the now. Ungacabanga ukuthi yazi usibanibani wangokuthi awuyazi kumele ngifuna ukuthi kodwa it has nothing to do with what you're doing at that time. Mindfulness, masculine energy, and calm. It becomes very interesting when you're doing these mundane tasks because you are able to channel some of the energies and messages when you're doing repetitive things, as I was doing the past 3 weeks, which is good. Yeah, so I would say kubalulekile ukuthi ube nezinto ezimandeni ezenzayo, repetitive tasks, like mhlawumbe nje isikhathi sokutshala vele manje anike mhlawumbe ngibona ukuthi wenza kanjani ngalesikhathi uhlawula ube present in what you are doing, and then you will start to receive messages obungeke uwazi in the hustle and bustle of your daily lives. The other thing that I picked up was okay. Yeah, the other thing I picked up was OT. I need to, well, I'm guessing I'm being taught OT, what's the timeline difference between the other side and this side. OT, umhlaka 1 May ngala uzofana nomhlaka bani ngala. So ngale mhlaka 1 May awufani nomhlaka 1 May ngala, which is very obvious, but I guess I'm supposed to learn like more accurately what the time difference is, and I don't think I'm going to share that information. It doesn't look like I'm going to share that information. Okay. So there's that. And what's the other thing that I picked up? Okay. Yeah, so those are, yeah, okay. Those are the main things, important things. Mindfulness, calm, masculine energy, timeline. Iba in the now. Spend your time in the now. Don't go to the past, future in your working mind. I think that's the important part, that umqondo wakho ungadwanguzi into lesemagcekeni. Now I'll tell you, this thing of being in the now it allowed me to have some interesting business ideas as well. And so obviously just now, because like you know the things that you can do, but it becomes difficult to pick up what how do how do I start? What do I actually do? What is going to be the least um, complicated thing to do in terms of business? You know? So I picked up some things that I know that I'm actually very well trained in, and I should have been doing for a very long time. But the presence of mind was not able to pick up what Hawayazi, this thing is actually my expertise. I should be doing this as a business venture. Mindfulness, be in the now. So uzokwazi ukubona the opportunities around you. That's another. I think that's the most important thing. You have to be in the now. Bring your mind back. And yeah, I think it goes without saying. Social media. Like I noticed that since I've been away for a couple of weeks, yeah, there's a very notable amount of balance and focus that one has. So social media.